Hello friends, as you can see, I have started my journey from Visakhapatnam to Araku Valley as a tourist, and I'm going to show you the bus journey of 3 hours from Vizag to Araku Valley. So please be with me and I hope you'll enjoy the ride. Araku Valley is a hill station and it comes under the state Andhra Pradesh, and it is a beautiful hill station. Araku Valley is surrounded by thick forests of Eastern Ghats mountain range. The best time to visit Araku Valley is from December up to February. Though I came to Araku Valley in the month of April, but you will enjoy whatever I am going to show you along the way. I captured a lot of beautiful pictures and this videography of mine I hope you will like. You can see the jungles. Araku Valley is famous for its gorgeous waterfalls and then its scenic beauty, as you can see in my video now. And also Araku Valley is famous for its rich coffee plantations. The Galikonda Hills, as you can see in the video, is the tallest hill in the state of Andhra Pradesh. And you know, these roads are very dangerous. Actually, according to the reports, the most of the accidents took place in these Ghat roads to Araku. So it's difficult. Actually, this journey is difficult. As I have started my journey, then it was so scary in the initial part, and at some point of time during the journey when I saw the outside view from the bus window, then suddenly I realized and the memory flashes in my mind that it is the same kind of adventure that I had few years back when I visited Ooty from Coimbatore. It is the same kind of ride above the hills. It is so scary and adventurous too, but it is for more likely for the young people who like to have adventure in their life. And friends, I hope you people are liking my videography of one of the most accident prone zones in India and in South India. Actually, this way has 20 potent accident prone zones. So this news is very scary for all of you, I believe. Araku Valley is extremely close to the Odisha state border. That means if you want, you can have a wonderful East Coast holiday and you can visit Odisha. Araku Valley is at an altitude of 1300 meters, making it a cooler place than the plains of the east. It serves as a magnificent gateway for anyone who wants to take a break from the summer heat and spend time amidst nature. Though the journey to the valley is most enjoyable through road, the road is covered with thick green jungles on both sides as the winding road flows through the Anantgiri range. There are 8 hairpin bends, means steep curves in the 40-kilometer long Ghat road between Vizag city and Araku Valley. Negotiating these turns is a challenge at night due to lack of adequate lighting and the surrounding forest cover. The roads are modernized, but the valley still has its roots deep in its culture. The valley has a large tribal population, of which some primitive tribal groups have still not changed their lifestyles. They are very hospitable to their visitors. They even perform their traditional Dhimsa dance to entertain tourists. Araku is surrounded by mountains like Galikonda, Ratakonda, Sunkarimetta and Sitamangadai, and also has the highest peak of Eastern Ghats, Dindhagada Peak. If you come to Araku Valley from Visakhapatnam through a train journey, the train takes you through 58 tunnels and over 84 bridges. Famous border caves are around 0.5 to 1 kilometer distance, which is walkable from Boda station. As I got to know from the locals, night driving is a bit risky in the Ghat part. Too many accidents till date, so I would suggest you to avoid the night journey to Visakhapatnam. Stay there in any of the hotels nearby and enjoy the local foods there. State government owned RTC buses runs from Vizag to Araku daily at a frequency of 45 minutes. Bus service starts from morning 5 am from RTC complex Vizag till evening 7:30 pm. Similarly, from Araku to Vizag bus service starts from 5 am till 7 pm in the evening. Do you know that Araku Valley is also known as the Ooty of Andhra Pradesh? Friends, by seeing this video, you already have an idea that the actual adventure is driving through this road. Trust me, this is one of the most beautiful journey I ever had. And friends, if you like this video, then please do share this video with your friends and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.